Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit and change team tactics in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can create your own tactics, how you can manage the club from player motivation or the finance of your clubs. Let's get started. So as you can see, I'm managing Manchester United and I won Champions League for the second time. And let's see, this is my history, tab manager history. This is my first season and this is my second season. So I all eliminate in FA Cup in fifth round, but I'm winning in Carabao, Champions League, Super Cup and Community Shield in my second season. So let's get back into just tap this manager or club icon and you can tap this tactics. You can tap it. So this is the tactics page. You can tap this for the information. This screen show you your currently selected formation and match day squad. So you can edit your formation, select player roles, view on-field player relationship, create new tactic or select your matchday squad. So this is my squad, this is my first team, so you can like plug and play or you can change your first team player and you can save it to save your time. You can tap this action and you can save your selection here. Let's get back. Or you can create your own tactics by tap this. You can change formation here, and this is the recommendation from this game, so you can try it. You can make experiment. This is the shape, so this is like my team mentality, the width, the tempo, or your creative freedom. This is the defense. You can make a high defensive line or closing down like all over will be gegenpress, will drain your stamina. Tackling, offset trap, you can turn on if you have a slow defender. This is the attack, so this is very important, the final third. So you want to shoot on the side, like play directly shoot, or you want to play in the box first, like pass 1-2 pass, play patiently. So this work into the box, it's very good combined with short passing style. Passing focus is up to you, but I recommend to mix. Goalkeeper distribution, please go with short because it will control the game. And so set pieces taker is very crucial. You can choose who's your kickers here, penalty kickers, free kick kickers, or corner takers. And the last one is captain. You can choose your leader here. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.